Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today I will be telling you how you can convert USDT on Binance to any crypto. So log into your Binance account, then click on trades, and here you will see Binance convert. Just click on it, select USDT here, and then select the crypto of your choice that you want to convert, and then just type in the amount that you want to convert. Then click preview conversion and convert. Sometimes you might not be able to convert due to minimum balance requirement or due to some other reasons. So in that case, click on trade, go to spot exchange, and here simply select the pair of crypto that you want to convert from USDT. Suppose you want to purchase XLM, then click on XLM USDT pair, and then just write up the amount that you want to purchase and the price, and then just click on buy XLM. Then your USDT will be converted into XLM, and in the same manner you can convert your USDT into any crypto. So that was it from my side today. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button if this video helped you, and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.